Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video we are going to discover ElevenLabs. In my opinion, ElevenLabs it is the best AI voice generator on the market right now. It is powerful, it is realistic, and the most important thing is it is monetizable. You can actually use these AI voiceovers and make YouTube videos or TikToks and you can actually make money with them. To check ElevenLabs, you can go to elevenlabs.io or you can check the link in the video description. Before we do anything, you can always, before like signing in or signing up or paying anything, you can always just go to their website and you can just try it. It's free, you can try it. So let's try this.
The ElevenLabs voice generator can deliver high-quality, human-like speech in 32 languages, perfect for audiobooks, video voiceovers, commercials, and more.
That is amazing. That is so human-like. That's amazing. So let's try something else. Let's try this. And we're gonna keep it as Brian, the voice. But you can check Alice, Bill. My personal favorite is Roger, which is somewhere here. It's not on the list, I think. Anyway, and you can try text to speech, or voice changer, or dubbing, or text to SFX, or voice cloning. So let's try the text to speech right now.
Tech with Adam is so good, it could teach a goldfish to use a smartphone. And I'm subscribing before my toaster beats me to it.
Wow, that is amazing. That is actually amazing. So to get started with ElevenLabs, you can create a free account, or if you have an account, you can just log in. And to check their prices before you do anything, you just go to their prices. The greatest thing about this service is they have a free plan. So their free plan covers 10 minutes of ultra high quality text to speech per month. 10 minutes is good if you're creating shorts or TikToks. It's more than enough. And you can generate in 32 languages, but I don't think you can you use it in commercials? I don't think so. Anyway, the starter plan, which is conveniently priced in my opinion, you get 30 minutes, which is more than enough, and you have instant access to cloning and dubbing. Cloning is the most important thing, and the most popular one is the creator plan, which is only $11 a month, and you get 100 minutes. That's, in my opinion, you can always just start with the free plan, check it, use it, tweak some stuff here and there, and then when you get serious about it, you can always go to the starter plan. And then when you start to making some money, you can always upgrade to the creator plan or the pro plan. So this is their prices. You can always just pay yearly and you get two free months and you get some discounts. So I just signed in with my account. So to create some voiceovers, you go to AI audio and you go to text to speech. You click on that and then you click on generate speech free. That will take you to the app. And here you can tweak some stuff, change the model, you can change the stability, the similarity, you can do everything in here. So, and you get 5,000 characters and 10,000 credits remaining, which is the 10 minutes. So let's try it. It's on Roger, but you can choose any of these voices. Let's try some.
Just trust yourself, then you will know how to live.
Let's try Bill.
As we are liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically liberates others.
Let's try Liam.
Life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself.
That is amazing. That is actually amazing. Anyway, for me, I'm going to use Roger because in my opinion, it is the most popular voice. You probably heard of it before. Probably. So let's try it now. It's on Roger now. It's on ElevenLabs. I think this one, I don't know. It's the version 2.5. And I'm gonna leave the settings as is. Generate speech.
Tech. With Adam is so good it could teach a goldfish to use a smartphone, and I'm subscribing before my toaster beats me to it.
That is amazing. That is actually amazing. That sounds so human-like. It's just scary in my opinion. And you can always regenerate the same text, and it's gonna tweak it a bit every time you regenerate. So let's try it now.
Tech with Adam is so good it could teach a goldfish to use a smartphone, and I'm subscribing before my toaster beats me to it.
That is amazing. And you can always just download from here, and you get the MP3 version of the voiceover you just generated. If you want to check the history of everything you generated so far, you just go to history, and this is everything you can play.
Tech with Adam is...
Or you can download, or you can check the details about the stuff you generated. And if you want to create your own voice, your own personal voice, that is going to be, let's say for example, your marketing voiceover, just go to voices and then add new voice and just hit voice design, and you put the prompts in here for the voice. An old British male with the raspy deep voice, professional, relaxed and assertive, and then you hit generate voice.
The night air carried whispers of betrayal, thick as London fog. I adjusted my cufflinks. After all, even spies must maintain appearances, especially when the game is afoot.
That is so good. That is good. And
the night air carried whispers of betrayal, thick as London fog. I adjusted my cufflinks.
The night air carried whispers of betrayal, thick as London fog.
The night air carried whispers of betrayal.
This is the best one. So we hit select voice, and then you name it. Let's name it Adam New Voice. And now if you go to text to speech and you go to voices, you're gonna see the voice you just created here. So we choose that and we hit generate speech.
Tech with Adam is so good it could teach a goldfish to use a smartphone, and I'm subscribing before my toaster beats me to it.
That is amazing. So that's it for me, guys, for this video. If you guys want me to cover anything else in terms of AI voiceovers or like editing for like YouTube automation or anything else, please let me know in the comment. Don't hesitate to subscribe, and please drop a like. It's gonna help me a lot. Thank you.